Hello everyone, this is Fiani. Welcome back to Creation by Fav. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by and welcome. I love to do quick and easy DIYs, everything on the budget, using recycled items, thrifting items, and of course Dollar Tree items. If you love that kind of content, I will love to you consider hit the subscribe button and be part of this family. Also hit the bell and you will get notified every time I upload a new video. So let's get creative. For the first DIY, I'm going to be creating a beautiful rustic tray. So here are the materials. I'm going to start off by removing the twine on the board. Next, trace the frame on the board with a pencil. Remove the frame and then use the box cutter and also a square to cut the board. This step I have shown many times on different DIYs, so all I do is trace a couple times the lines with the box cutter, bend it a little bit, and voila. Then use some paper and smooth it out the edges, just like so. Now we're going to leave the board on the side for a little bit and remove everything from one of the picture frames, as you can see. Next, I'm going to be attaching the frame on the board using super glue and hot glue together, but you can also use E6000 or any other kind of glue. Just like so. I also want to mention that you can use foam board or even the back of the frame as a bottom of the tray. I'm using the board only because I want the tray really sturdy, so that is optional. Remember, this is only an idea, but you can use anything you want or anything you have in hand. So next I went ahead and start to gluing the wooden beads on top of the frame until finish the entire frame. Just like so. Next, I'm going to be using the other frame and removing everything as well. Next, I'm going to be attaching the frame on top of the beads using the hot glue and the super glue. Just like so. Beautiful already. Now we need to add some feet, so flip it over and attach 4 beads in each corner, just like so. Next, I went ahead and with the white acrylic paint I give it 2 coats. Just like so, let it dry, and then I'm going to be using the wax and then color antique and a little brush and kind of messing a lot the tray, and then I'm going to use some white paint on top. So don't worry about the way it looks right now. They kind of look messy but that's okay. So if you notice, I didn't really touch so much on the center, so it just light brushes, just like so. today I'm going to be just giving few approaches with the leftover white paint on top, and look how beautiful this dressing look. I don't know, I think it looks absolutely beautiful. So next I'm going to be use the decal with the word thankful, place it on the center, and I thought something else is missing because I thought it's kind of plain. So I went ahead and grabbed the leaf and draw like half circles on it, and then handwriting a leaf just like so. Next I'm going to be using the black Sharpie and then filling the inside with a small brush and black acrylic paint. And that is it for the first DIY. I think this farmhouse tray came out absolutely beautiful, but I want to know what you guys think. So now we're going to be working with the second DIY. I had to mention it with the second DIY, I messed up a little bit with the first part of the video, so I'm going to walk through through the video but with pictures or something like that. Hopefully you guys can understand what I'm talking about. So here I showed the materials, but here we go. I'm going to be using the wooden bead, so as you can see I don't have video for this part because I thought I was recording but I was. So all I did was attach 3 wooden beads together in 6 groups. Next I used super glue and hot glue to attach on the board. I also attached the canvas frame on top, as you can see, and attach a push pin on top of each corner of the canvas, as you can see. So now I'm going to be using the antique wax and stain it. So you can use the opposite way. You can use the white paint before and then the wax like I did on the first DIY, but in this DIY I did the opposite, but it really works the same. So next I did the white paint just like so, let it dry. Next I go back with the antique wax and a little brush, and I'm going to be distressing only the edges. Just like so. And that is it for the second DIY. I think it came out really beautiful. So all I did after was this tomato sauce recycle jars, some flowers from Dollar Tree, place it on it, and I think it looks beautiful. So but I want to know what do you guys think, which one was your favorite one, number 1 or number 2? So that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Stay safe in home with your families. God bless you all, and see you guys next time. Ciao ciao.